We're back with D-Buddy, with Terri Trades in the house. Terri's feeling real good. She can get paid.
I'm feeling great. Enjoyed the pina colada yesterday.
Yeah.
Thank you for dinner.
Yeah, no problem.
It was a great time. How are you guys feeling about today?
You know, happy to be here, obviously. So Terri, happy to meet you. Like, I'm so honored, to be honest.
Same.
Obviously to be at the BDH, PW, so thank you for having me. As always, super happy for you. Enjoy that 25K.
Let's make some money today.
Let's go.
It does look like we've come back. We're testing the 14 SMA on my chart on ES and on NQ. The range for the day, I think we're at what, about 170 points or so. So we should definitely break out either above that or below that. Either way, I'm expecting some volatility, and I think I will play the 5-minute opening range trade.
Same strategy as yesterday. I let the market kind of open up, settle down a little bit, especially since we had a big pop, over 100 points for the news.
Oh, market's open.
There we go.
Drop.
All right, I'm long here. See if I can't get up there above the 700s next.
Okay, I am going to practice good risk management and size down because this candle is so big. So I will risk 1 to 1. I'll go in with 5 micros, and I will take the break on the long side if it breaks.
No more YOLO, Terri.
Only sometimes.
YOLO, Terri.
Ooh, it's pumping. Nice long.
Come on. Nice little 10,000. Once it, basically getting back above those EMAs was my entry there. All right, Terri's looking for a long out of this 5-minute range, and then target-wise?
Target-wise, about 1 to 1, so about 100 points.
100 points? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Terri.
Wild today. Cash friend.
Did she not just say, yeah, you know, I'm gonna size down now 100 points today?
I'm long at 704. I'm just gonna move my stop to below this 5-minute candle. So I'm risking about $1,000 for $1,000.
I would want more of a retest, like back below the EMAs, because like my stop technically would have to be below, you know, like you said, that 595 or 596 like area, right?
Learning in the beginning to now.
Yeah, I know you weren't always calm and cool, collected.
Roller coaster of emotions, feeling the pain of like sizing up too big, seeing everybody on social media, oh, like this person just made $30,000 today, so that's gonna be me, right? And like going in with too much size, and then realizing like what you see on social media sometimes is not always the case, right? Because you can decide what you post on social media. And I had to learn for me myself, like patience. Like even like now, like everybody's like, oh, he's so patient, but that takes like a lot of work because the FOMO is like real. Going back and looking at my trades, I've noticed that I actually perform better when I'm more patient and I wait for a setup that I'm like comfortable with and familiar with, versus like trying to jump in because I see it moving with some momentum.
Even on this inside day, that's 100 points.
So I better take profits. maybe if we get close to that. Yeah.
Back it up, Terri.
Put in reverse, Terri.
Put in reverse, Terri. Little surprise for Terri. All right, I wanted to present you with the first ever BDH check. We had to do a big check here.
Oh my God.
$25,000 for Terri Trades. And to be honest, I wish I could give you more because you're such an amazing person. And to hear your story, I'm not going to get all deep into it, but it's been absolutely a pleasure having you here at the BDH. You're just good energy. Your vibes have been great. You came into the Lion's Den this week and you absolutely crushed it. Everyone loved you. Kind of jealous because people, I think they loved you more than they love me now. But like, again, like I hope, you know, you use this for, you said you're going to buy your mom some flowers. You have a great story. I love hearing people that just kind of take what they get in life and they excel with it. So I think you're a great example of that. And more people need to kind of see what Terri has done with her life and be like, hey, it ain't always easy, but if you look for the good in life, you can end up in a good place. So congratulations to Terri. I wish it would have ended a little bit differently with the whole contest. You were killing it all week trading, so by no means did I think that like this is just given to you. Monday, Tuesday, you performed. Wednesday, you made 2,000. Yesterday, you made money. Today, you're trading. We're doing it live. And again, it's an absolute pleasure to be able to give this to you, and thank you for everything.
Oh my gosh, thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Thank you, all of you guys. Thank you so much. Being here and meeting everyone, you're absolutely fantastic. Sweetheart, I know. People are like...
What are you talking about? People on the internet said that.
Also a lion. Yeah. Right? Thank you, everyone. One of the best parts of this trip is like all the amazing people I've met, your entire team.
Terri came in here in a place that she's never been before. She's never met me before. She had pretty much, you know, no reason to be a good sport, but she did. She did the job. So congratulations to Terri. That's what it's all about. The BDH, baby. Making dreams come true.
BB8.
So my stop was actually at the 595. Higher probability, right, that we get some kind of pushback up because that was the low put in at the open, right? That's the bottom of the range, so just played the range. Roughly, I think like 11 points. I'm up 443.48.
Ooh, I got stopped out.
Damn it, Terry.
Dang it. Now the market's gonna reverse.
Why did you not get short on that hourly candle when it opened?
I wasn't even considering it, you know, right at 10 o'clock because of the news. I think starting out, that was like one of the things I had to like learn, like you're gonna be wrong. Like it's gonna happen, that's part of the game. Nobody's gonna bat 100% every single day. Maybe you'll get a hot streak, you'll also get some losing streaks too. Like you gotta be transparent, right?
I was a minute away from getting short. Honestly, if it would have broke 540, I probably would have got short and I would have just got fucked right here. And it would have ruined my whole day. And I'd be all sad and I'd be like, I hate Terry now.
No.
Money. Everybody get out! Get out! I don't want to do this anymore. You could have like taken the long there in that 540 area, stop below that last 5 minute candle. That's a 20-point stop for a possible 60-point move back up. That's a good try. I take that trade all day. But I'm like, I'm not fighting the trend. I'm playing into the idea that there's probabilities, right? The probability of this pushing back up before going lower is higher than just going lower.
So I'll wait for the close. It hasn't put in a lower low past those two candles we were kind of talking about earlier on the 5 minute chart. So the low of that 538 level, right? It couldn't put in a lower low so far. Right now it's holding. So I'll wait until 11 and then I'll kind of make a decision as far as if I'm going to enter or not.
There we go. Market is moving down here from the 560 now down to the 546s. Maybe one more little pushback up and then get denied. And then that's the short. You can have whatever, you can trade any strategy you want in the world. But like if you don't know when to trade it and when not to trade it, it doesn't matter.
Quick buy from 565 on a retest back up looking for 10 points.
This guy.
I'm up 220 bucks.
All right, back up there above the 600s again. 5 minute, very engulfing. Took out all these highs.
So that entry you asked about, Patrick, it was, I got in at 565 and I sold at 575.50, so like 10 points. What I'm noticing, it still hasn't taken out that 1030 low on the 5 minute chart, which is 539 area. It just put in a higher low basically, right? Just played the probability, right? And my stop was gonna be right below 539 area. That's where my stop was. So about 14, 15 points.
It's just chopping around my entry. My entry's at 591.
See on the day there with my Apex accounts, $2,000 across the board.
Do I leave it on or do I take it off? I mean, my stop is right above that initial candle why I got in, right? It hasn't been invalidated yet. So maybe we just leave it on, just let it run. My stop's at 648, TP's at 491. Thank you everyone for all of your support. You guys are amazing. Chat, you guys are wonderful. Thank you so much for welcoming me and this was so much fun. Thank you, editor. Special thank you to Ginger. Ginger is amazing, you guys. Everyone, Victoria. Bye guys.
Sad to see you go, but happy that you're leaving with 25,000.
If I bring that big check to the desk, like, will they be like,
yeah.
Please.
Like, what is BDH? That'll be the funniest feeling. What does BDH stand for? You're like, funny story, actually. No, I only made 40,000.
The D and D money stand for it. So my first name is actually Demarius, so.
Somebody was like, literally like, is it dick money? I'm like, yeah, he got that dick money. Short story, Terry gave up her job to take care of her mother who has dementia. Very good person, you know. Her family moved from a different country. Her mom worked her whole life to take care of the family, grinded it out, built a family here in America. Like, great story, great person. I cannot speak highly enough about her. It's like, it wants to go.
It's like in a tricky area because we took out overnight lows, we swiped that, and this could be, okay, now we want to push back up. So it's, yeah, it's in a tricky area.
I mean, the ES is like going nowhere. It's just sitting above yesterday's close. With green on a day like today, I think you gotta just be happy with that and know when to take it.
It's an honor and a pleasure to be here. I think a day trader's dream. I appreciate the hospitality, PW.
Buttering me up, sir. You buttering me up.
Nah, super humbling experience because this is like my dream. Like, this is like my dream job, so an honor to be here. So I appreciate it.
Big thank you to D Money. I'll see you guys next week. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. It's the biggest, it's the largest, it's the BDH. See y'all later. Enjoyed it. Peace to the Middle East.